Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer placement. So, this is your love reading ngayong March. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po, no? Pagdating sa ating uh, all-in-one evil eye bracelet, sa ating evil eye ring, and sa ating pong evil eye necklace. Okay, so, yun lamang. Okay. Kung may mga tanong-tanong and if you're interested, okay, just message me. Okay, Cancer. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang situation ng mga Cancerians ngayong March or current situation. Tingnan natin. The Four of Wands in reversed and the Judgment. Okay, I think pagdating sa connection, pwede kasing nandyan yung cycle. Okay? Walang nangyayaring improvement. The Four of Wands in reverse, there's no stability here. Okay? You're in a cycle. Okay? The Judgment. Paulit-ulit. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko rito, kung may bumabalik, no? Hindi ko naman nakikita na mayroong stability mangyayari or growth, no? Okay? So, pwedeng merong situation lang din ang hindi mabitaw-bitawan. Okay? So, yan ang nakikita ko. Anong meron sa person mo, Cancer? Tingnan natin. Anong meron sa person mo? The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them may mga third party. Okay? Or pwedeng meron siyang pwedeng third party ito. Okay? Or pwedeng, yun nga, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Wala akong makitang magandang kooperasyon, no? Magandang kooperasyon or meron lagi kayong misunderstanding ng taong ito. Yeah, the Six of Chalices in reversed. Okay. So, I think this is energy ng isang person from the past. Okay, na nagbigay sa'yo ng sabihin nating bitterness. Some of you, you find this person na someone na pwedeng hindi mo kakayanin nang wala siya. Kaya may ganitong sitwasyon sa umpisa. Nakikita mo tong taong to na kapag wala siya, hindi mo malaman kung ano ang gagawin mo. Okay? So, yeah, the Three of Swords, energy ng third party, iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng na-trauma na. Or pwedeng itong taong ito na-trauma na pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Anong meron pagdating sa emotion niya? Ngayon, what's their emotion? Okay. The Page of Swords. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng nakakausap mo to ngayon. Okay? May komunikasyon akong nakikita because of this Page of Swords, no? So, and the Knight of Wands. This is communication with, sabihin nating flirt. Okay. Gusto ka nitong makausap, pero hindi seryosohan. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung ganito sa kanya. Pwedeng vice versa. Okay? Kasi, yeah, hindi naman to personal read. Okay? So, the Nine of Swords in reverse sa bottom ng deck. Maybe. Sabihin nating may bumabalik, the Judgment. Pero Four of Wands in reverse, there's no relationship here. Okay? The Nine of Swords in reverse, energy ng pwedeng, kaya bumabalik kasi ayaw nang mag-isip. Ayaw ng pag-iisip, okay? Gustong malesen siguro yung mga iniisip-isip pagdating sa connection na to. So, maybe someone is wanting or maybe ngayon pa lang is nag-reach out na. Okay, they like you physically. Pwedeng vice versa. You find this person attractive. Okay? Pero, or maybe this person finds you attractive. Mga ganyan. Okay? Pero yun nga, puro flirt, puro sex. Parang ganyan. Okay? Ang banas. Okay, ang init. Okay. So, anong next action ng taong ito pagdating sa'yo, Cancer? The world in reverse. So, energy pa rin ito ng sabihin nating unclear, unfinished business, mga questions pa rin nandyan. Okay? And the Emperor in reverse. So, pwede kasing hindi nila gagawin, no, or hindi nila sasabihin yung mga dapat. The Emperor in reverse, this is actually a person who makes manipulation. Okay? So, I think the Emperor in reverse may tendency rin na parang iniisip lang niya yung sarili niya. Okay? Kasi kapag naka-upright itong si Emperor, meaning niyan, iniisip niyan lahat. Okay? Panglahatan, 'di ba? Like the Emperor. It's like a king, parang ganyan, pero higher, parang ganyan, no? So iniisip niya hindi lang sarili niya, iniisip din niya yung mga tao sa paligid, mga ganyan. Pero if the Emperor is in the reversed, kabaliktaran na yun, no? Meaning, andyan yung pagiging immature, andyan yung hindi paggawa ng magagandang plano, nandyan yung pwedeng iniisip lang din niya yung sarili niya. Okay? So, may chance na hindi pa rin ito maging okay if ever nagagawa ito ng next action towards you. They will keep you questioning, mga ganyan. Okay? Hindi ka nila bibigyan ng clarity, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Chalices in reverse. Someone who loves themselves. Parang ganyan lang. Focus lang nila is sarili. Okay? Selfishness. Sa madalit salita. Okay, so tingnan natin ano ang magiging outcome or / advice. Okay. For you, Cancer. The Six of Swords in reversed and the Ten of Pentacles in reversed. So, someone is afraid to commit. Okay. So, somebody needs to be the bigger person. Okay? Kailangan meron ditong may mag-step up. Parang ganyan. Kasi hindi nagkakaroon nga ng, sabihin natin, hindi magsara no? Yung door para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Whether may third party or what. Clarity or closure ang kailangan dito. Okay? So, the Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Six of Chalices in reverse, energy ito ng hindi makausad, hindi maging okay. Kasi kailangan ng clarity, kailangan ng something para makamove forward. Okay? So, yeah. Yung mangyayari, hindi kanya pa rin bibigyan So, paano? So, ang advice for you, kung yun nga is pabalik-balik, like a cycle na, alam mo na dapat. Okay, kilala mo naman na to Okay, the Page of Swords. Kilala mo na to. Hindi ka na naive pagdating sa kanya. Okay, this is a repeat. It's just a repeat. Okay, nakita mo na to. Don't expect anything big sa magiging connection or sa kung anong meron sa inyo ngayon dahil yun lang din naman yun. Okay? And don't try to repaint this person, no? Huwag mo itatry na paltan yung kulay ng taong ito. Okay? Kasi yun na siya Hindi natin pwedeng pilitin itong Emperor in reverse na maging upright. It's their decision. Okay? So, we can't force someone to do a decision na gusto rin natin. Okay? So, yeah. Kung hindi ka mabigyan ng clarity ng taong to, and I think hindi ka niya bibigyan, ikaw na magbigay sa sarili mo. Okay? Ikaw na ang magbigay. You're just wasting your time if ever you're parang nakikipag-usap ka pa rin dito and you don't see any ang tawag dyan, clarity or mga kaseryosohan, no? Okay? You're just wasting your time over this. Kung ganun nga. Okay? So, ikaw na ang mag-decide para sa sarili. Ikaw na mag-desisyon kung anong dapat ang sayo. Okay? So, enough with the cycle. Enough with the repeat. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you. Cancer. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Aries, they want commitments. Okay. Taurus, they want a connection with you. Gemini, they can't be a responsible partner. Some of them, they're self-centered. Cancer, okay. So, immature, acting immature, they can't decide on their own. Parang ganyan. Okay. May takot, ego, pride is there. Okay. Leo. So, merong delay with this Leo. Virgo. Okay. So, pwedeng they're like physically attracted lang. Nandito rin yung on and off with this Virgo. Libra. They're invested. They're waiting for you. Scorpio. Okay. So, I think pwedeng focus nila muna ngayon is sarili nila. Okay? Sagittarius, they love you. They still, maybe, if ever this is a past person. Pero, yeah, they have, no? They still have emotions, no? Okay, Capricorn. So, there's delay pagdating sa commitments or delay sa communication, like that. Okay, Aquarius. So, they're throwing you mixed signals. Okay, they're conflicted. Andito yung, maraming pag-iisip pagdating sa kanila. Okay, so Pisces. So, wala akong nakikitang effort na pwedeng gawin itong Pisces na to. Maybe they're too lazy, no? Parang ganyan. In general, walang effort na manggagaling sa kanila. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Cancerian placement. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.